Let's do a little bit of symbolic math in MATLAB. So before we start, we should make sure that there's no leftover values in various variables. And once we've done that, we can give ourselves a clean workspace with the clear command, and let's get to work. So what we're going to do is tell MATLAB that we've got some variables that we want to stay as variables. We'll call them x, y, and z. And at that point, we're going to start defining some functions. So let's say that there's a relationship between z, x, and y. And so z is equal to x cubed plus, say, y squared. And so if we leave off the semicolon, we can see what MATLAB thinks we mean. And indeed, this is what we meant. Good. Okay, so now that we have our function, let's go ahead and see what the partial derivative of this function looks like. And so the partial derivative function is just diff. So you say I want to take the derivative of, say, z with respect to any one of its variables. So we could do z with respect to x. And let's see what that looks like. Okay, indeed, that's sort of what we expected. And now if we want to plug in a number, for instance, let's say we want to evaluate this partial derivative at a certain value of x, we can use the subs function. So we say that we want to substitute into g a certain one of the variables. Well, in this case, the only variable is x. We'll put in x. And let's say we want to substitute a value of 4, put that in, and it gives us the evaluation.